Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to Susan Best TV. So, guys, I just want to show you how I make this delicious coconut rice. Okay, if you're interested, just watch this video till the end. So, these are the things I use. I use 2 cups of coconut milk, and this is white pepper, and I'm going to be using thyme, garlic powder, onions, green bell pepper, and fresh pepper. So here is my ginger powder, but if you have the fresh one you can also use the fresh one, but this is what I have, that's why I'm using this. There's my seasoning cube. So these are the things I'm going to be using. So first I'll be parboiling my rice just to wash it, then after a while we have to start preparing it. Yeah, this is just my assorted meat I just want to add to eat. It's optional, guys, if you want to add anything. So what I use there is assorted like shaki and cow skin. I just slice it into very tiny pieces and I boil and make sure it cook very well. So when you are eating the rice, just be eating it. You won't even notice you have something like that. And the fish I'm going to be using, I'm going to be just be using a very little pieces of the from the fish, because I don't want to use too much things, so I will still get my coconut taste. All right, so here is my onions. I'm going to fry the onions for just 2 minutes. After that, I'm going to add the other ingredients. Here come my green bell pepper. So after this, then my fresh pepper. After the fresh pepper, that's when I'm gonna be adding the other things to eat. Okay, so what I'm adding, I'm just putting it little by little. So you can always test your food if you like the taste while making it, because the measurement is optional, guys. But what I do is I don't want to use too much. That's why if you notice I didn't use crayfish, because I just want to get that taste. But if you feel like you want to use crayfish, you can also use crayfish. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So now I'm adding all the things: ginger powder, garlic powder, white pepper, thyme. This is when I'm putting all these things that I showed you earlier on. Okay, so please, if you like what I'm doing here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow my page at Susan Kitchen. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Please like and share. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye.